Hi, this is Will Cook of the Will Cook Group. Happy New Year and welcome back to my video blog. Today I'm going to answer the question, how's the housing market doing right now? I've been getting this question a lot recently and I understand why. This is the time of the year when people start to plan to make their move for 2025. And it's difficult to know what to plan without understanding where the market is. Well, the truth is, our market can be summed up in one word: normalization. While the red-hot days of the pandemic are far behind us, the market is not in a place where it's going to crash anytime soon either. Instead, we are beginning to balance out in our market. And here are three things that you need to know about our normalizing market. The first thing is that competition is increasing. There are more homes for sale in our current market than there have been in a long time. As of January 1st, for the Greater Palm Springs area, which includes all 8 cities of the Coachella Valley, there are 2,898 homes on the market. We are now back to hovering right around pre-pandemic levels, which means more options for buyers. So if you've been frustrated by a lack of options, now might be the time to re-enter the market. Meanwhile, if you're a seller, you may need to reset your expectations about how long it's going to take to sell your home. You can still get a great price for your home in this market, but the house is probably not going to fly off the market like it did a few years ago. The second point is that prices are increasing, slowly but steadily. In most markets around the country, prices are still increasing, although at a much more moderate pace. As of the beginning of this year in the Greater Palm Springs area, the median price of a single-family home has risen slightly year over year to $665,000. This means that sellers need to be careful not to overprice their properties. Prices are increasing, but buyers are savvy enough to know when a property isn't worth what you're asking. In the meantime, the buyers shouldn't wait too long to enter the market, because the longer you wait, the more you may end up paying. And the third point is that when selling your home, condition matters. Right now, there's a large gap between homes in need of a little repairs and homes in pristine condition. Good quality homes still sell quickly and for top dollar, and could even create a bidding war amongst buyers. On the other hand, homes in need of repairs could sit on the market for a long time. Buyers just don't have a lot of extra cash right now after closing for repairs. So small investments up front could make it much easier to sell your home. Since real estate is hyper-local, what's happening in the general area might not be true for your neighborhood. If you want to learn more about your specific neighborhood, I'd love to have a conversation with you. Please feel free to reach out, call, text, or email, and I'd love to talk to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.